maybe you are the call. Now my partner in progress. Auntie, what's her name again? Chineye. Her name is Chineye. Today she's you are doing what? You are getting married today, Abi? Oh, so yes, I'm going to attack her and so I'm going to because I don't understand. Eh? You're getting married today, Abi? That is one. Eh? You don't know what you're doing today. She's confused. She says she don't even know what she should do. Sorry, what is she doing now? What is you gonna come here? Birthday. This one when they tell you something. Now your PA be that doing your sponsor. Okay, birthday. Okay. That's your follow. Is that my papa? In Bansa. Okay. Then what? Comes down for this side. Okay, today Chineye is celebrating her birthday. And as you can see, her friends are ready. We could go this table. This cake fine, no, now Valentine cake be this. Congrats, today is your birthday, Abi. Why you go sit down for the chair? I said I need to celebrate. Cake come face you. Why I face you? You think that now maybe they tell them congrats and I tell me say no. Now the same thing that me and you talk to. Even though she make them, come sit down please. Where the celebrants? Okay, now she do this. I'm saying I went out. Let me ask you where the distribute drink they put that time. But then they serve drink. Somebody who can understand they carry drink don't serve that time. So then they celebrate. But after they share drink, after the waiter. Okay. What is your name again, bros? Only to the hall. Oh! Come. This guy. Let's say I won't talk now. Let's say the AP, the material. Fire you. Okay, Obina, today's your birthday, right? Okay, congrats, eh? It's not easy. This guy will carry television for hand. Who will be? Bro, Safana, let's meet you. I like that TV way, carry. What's the name? I don't say make you dinner. I say, what is the name? iPad. What is your name? iPad. Oh, that's a massive. Nah, I think I said. Why do many people do? I don't like them. What is your name? He say iPad. Spend himself. You know the necklace. When you get primary school, the necklace. What is your name, sir? Worry. Okay, then now worry. This guy here, he didn't let me remember those days. People like this are in the state classroom. They stay classroom those days. You know, those days when we were in primary school. Ask this guy, you know. Those days when we were in primary school, this one out of now, you know. Those days when we were in primary school. You know, some people sit down for front seats. There's no book. I don't go school. But you go primary school. I go school. You are confused. People who sit down for front seats, there's no book. The people who sit down for back seats, they try small. People who go sit down for back, there's no book. Maybe you know, idiots. Oyara. Then they get another set of people who say, those ones now forget they for window, and they for toilet. Those ones they don't know book and they don't want to know. Now they stay for door. They throw net, they did. That time if teacher enter class, ask question, you will raise your hand. That means you know the answer. Then teacher no go and ask you because he know. He go want try somebody else so that he go feel pass message. People go feel learn. Okay. You will raise your hand. Let me say you know the answer. Teacher no go want ask you because he know. He go want try somebody else. Me and my friends that time, we know no book. Now for back seats now we dey sit down because if you say no book, I no go dey here. I know we are go there now. Now for back seats we dey sit down. Teacher enter class. He ask question. One day teacher don't enter class one morning. I say as the meaning of never go finish. I don't raise my hand. Then the teacher look me say, hey, this boy, he was very, very brilliant. Teacher can't leave me because I know him. Come go ask another girl. He say, Ngozi, please tell us the answer. Ngozi stand up, answer them. Now I thought look my useless friends, and they sit down, say, guys, did they work? Oh? Once they ask question, raise your hand, be like say you know am. They no go ask you, they go say you know am. We can't shake ourselves. The second question, the teacher go ask another question again. The teacher ask mathematics, and you know say nobody know the answer. He said 1 plus 1 minus. He never even finish waiting it up. I don't raise my hand again. The teacher said, oh, you this boy, you are too brilliant. Obina, answer the question. Maybe you're all loading now. Because I don't say you don't know book. Can you hear that? This boy, you are the CEO. Obina, come stand up, answer them. As Obina answer them, now I can't look my useless friends again. Now I tell you, say, guys, it's in the work. Oh. Once they ask question, don't raise your hand like say you know them. They don't go. Are you serious? Who press that? I don't say look at you. Now this guy when they learn work, then they press and maybe me. The last question, I don't know say nobody know. Now then I'm a foul tell good egg. The teacher asked the president of he never will finish. Now sir, I raise my hand. When he come ask Ram, ask everybody around, nobody know the answer. He come face me with my hand there up because you that your hand is up, answer it. Now I turn, I don't see anybody raise hand. The teacher can say, yes, I'm talking to you. Now answer me. She say, yes. Now tell I say, auntie, I know well, though. Anytime while they sick, now so my hand they go. The teacher called they curse me. You are mad. You are stupid. You are foolish. Call they curse me. As if they curse me, my friend went to my side. You know, say, after me, now him. The boy come dey complain, person say no well, una no go leave am, una just dey disturb am. As the guy dey complain, teacher come ask say, okay, you by the side, can you help him? Now the idiot stand up, say me, auntie say yes. He say auntie, me sef I no well though. In fact, all of us wey dey this back seat, na sick now we dey sick. And the auntie say come back go fire all up on her. Seriously, when I been to look at the whole work wey go do for this life, you know see, na to go thief person, phone, handset, kokoko, then this one happen. I been to when you know say if I been to enter for this place now, I been to no fit hide. See everywhere dark like this now. If I been to enter here, everywhere will be bright. We go dey use I been to the sea road. Kokoko, I been to go thief person, handset, come dey run. As the Abinu dey run, the woman come dey shout, ole, 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 ole. As the woman dey shout, ole, you know say for that Okoko, police station there Okoko. Now some two policemen just come out to their big belly. Come the ask the woman say, wetin happen? The woman come say somebody took the handset. Come and say, who be the person? Then the woman come point, say, see that Abinu where they run. Now they look the woman say, this Abinu, he say, yes sir, he no fit run now. Let the Abinu no fit hide. Let the Abinu dey look like this. Abinu dey run. Oh, you go. Police people say make the woman no worry, they go catch him. Abinu dey run, police people dey trek, they follow Abinu for back. Then they trek, they follow Abinu run, they do. Police people tell woman no worry, see am, and they go so. They just dey trek, they follow am. Abinu run, come notice say police people dey follow am. Abinu come see statue, all these mannequins wey dey take sell clothes, wey stand, wey they put one place. You know say that is somehow they look like Abinu. Abinu come enter their middle. Now they know some police people they don't know their work. They are confused. They can't reach a place where Abinu dey. They walk up past them. They don't know say Abinu dey among those mannequins. Hey, this is Ruga friend. Abinu dey their middle. As they walk up past, Abinu dey there. Instead where Abinu go come out, Abinu still dey only very. Now 2 children when they come back from school. You know say all these Okoko children they very, very stubborn. 2 children, they when they come back from school, they carry back. As they come back, they come see those mannequins. Then they come notice say one different from others. Then they come go meet that one very different. Then they come tell the other one say, Junior, look at this one, his eyes is white. Then Junior tell her say yes. He come tell Junior, let's pinch him. Then they come pinch him. They come they pinch that Abinu. They pinch him, Abinu they dance. As they pinch him, Abinu they dance. They pinch him, he dance. Then they come tell Junior say, Junior, he is dancing. Pinch him well. They come they pinch Abinu well. Abinu they bounce. Then that wicked one come say, Junior, I have pin inside my bag. Let's bring the pin and choke him. They come bring pin. Stubborn children, they come up pin. Safety pin for their pockets. They come they took Abinu. Abinu come they dance. They dance when no music. Abinu they jump. So the tears come they come over Abinu eyes. As tears they come over Abinu eyes, then the wicked one come shout, look at water is coming from his eyes. Let's choke his eyes. As I been here, let's check his eyes. Now I been to shout, hey, police! Look, I can't carry me. The body children will kill me for you.